The courtrooms are shaking as Georgia State Judge Stephen Yeckel passed away from self-inflicted gunshot wound inside of his own courtroom on the last day of his job. There's a lot to the story. Let's talk about it. Stephen Yinkel was found a day after he shot himself in his courtroom. Shot himself Monday. He was found the next day. And they're saying that it is due to, well, they don't know exactly what it's due to, but something very interesting happened to him career-wise. First of all, he was trying to resign. And he wrote a letter to the governor, Brian Kemp, and Brian Kemp actually denied his resignation. So right here, this is the letter to Brian Kemp. Dear Governor Kemp, please be advised that I respectfully submit my letter of resignation as the state court judge of Ephraim County effective December 30th, 2024. Please be advised that I won two previous elections, May 24, 2022, over 1,400 votes and 900 votes over the two candidates, May 21st, 2024. But a runoff was required on July 18th, 2024 that I did not win. So he just ran for office and he did not win. So it's, could be either. Were you trying to leave this job because you were so full of exhaustion? Did you feel like a failure? You were trying to quit, your job altogether? Were you feeling that failure big enough that it took you over to take your own life? There's no specific letter to say why he did what he did. But getting a letter back from the governor saying that you cannot resign is odd to me. Let's read. Dear Judge Yenkel, I'm in receipt of your letter regarding your intent to resign as state court judge of Ephraim County effective December 30th, 2024, one day before your term expires. So he was already about to be out. He was already about to be done, and he tried to, resign. Now, I wonder if that meant a different kind of pay, something different in his retirement if he was leaving. That could have affected his denial, a financial situation. Let's continue. Please be advised that for the reasons set forth below, I hereby reject your attempted resignation. That's so odd to me. Please be advised that for the reasons set forth below, I hereby reject your attempted resignation. I was pleased to appoint you to the bench in June 2022, filling the vacancy created by Judge Ronald Thompson, appointed to the OBC Circuit Superior Court, as you already successfully won election in the interim state court that May. However, regardless of the low turnout for this year's runoff election, cited in your letter, the people of Ephraim County spoke once, and it continues to go on. So I think it's saying, you can't quit even though you didn't win.